That's working the video, and here is sister. So after checking and your country is eligible for you to participate in the DV Lottery 2026, then you check in the comment section or the registration and know how you can submit your form so that you can also participate in the DV Lottery 2026. And kindly also check in the comment section or the registration to get the full list or the form to check as well, just in case you are not okay with it. Okay, so I'll be putting the countries that are eligible for this on the screen, and after that, if you still want to check more, then the link is in the comment section or the description for you to check more as well. Let me show you how this one will. But first, like the video and subscribe, because I'll bring you more videos on the DV Lottery 2026. Okay, I'll bring you how you can register, how you can also check when the results are released. Okay, but there are some do's and don'ts that you need to know, and I'll bring you that videos as well. So everything will be in the comment section. So let's start and let me show you the countries that are eligible. And can you let me know where you are watching the video from in the comment section? Let's start with it and let's go.